Welcome to Driving the 2026 AI Mobility Blueprint Concept by Professionals Lobby. This video navigates the ecosystem of autonomous machines, intelligent fleets, and smart cities within the UAE. The new mobility economy is marked by significant scale. The AI automotive market is valued at $15.7 billion entering 2026, with a projected 73% adoption rate in new vehicles by the decade's end. An autonomous machine relies on a complex anatomy. This includes computer vision for obstacle recognition, radar systems for long-range object detection, and ultrasonic sensors for precise, low-speed maneuvers. AI diagnostics provide powerful tools by listening and watching for failure. This includes audio-based intelligence for detecting engine anomalies and video-based intelligence for identifying visual anomalies and structural damage. The maintenance paradigm is shifting from reactive to AI-powered, condition-based monitoring. This proactive approach minimizes unplanned downtime and can lead to a 40% reduction in total maintenance costs. The UAE's path to full autonomy is unfolding. Key milestones include foundational rollouts of end-to-end AI systems and the Dubai milestone of achieving 25% of all trips operating driverless. In-cabin intelligence creates empathetic spaces by utilizing human emotion detection and pet monitoring integration. This can detect driver fatigue with high confidence and adjust cabin settings accordingly. AI mobility thrives in symbiosis with the smart city grid. Features include traffic prediction, eco-routing for efficiency, and dynamic adaptation of routes based on real-time data. Automotive cybersecurity acts as an invisible shield, protecting against threats like ECU manipulation, rogue over-the-air updates, and location spoofing. Systems adhere to the UAE Cybersecurity Council's rigorous guidelines. The strategic impact of AI mobility spans multiple UAE business sectors. This includes transforming dealerships and service hubs, optimizing logistics and fleet operations, and aiding urban planners in reshaping city traffic flows. The 2026 Connected Organism synthesizes 5 core elements: the smart city grid, the maintenance hub, in-cabin cloud, the cyber shield, and the vehicle itself. Now a hypersensory data node. Navigating the AI mobility revolution requires more than technology. It demands holistic risk mitigation and systemic integration. Professionals Lobby provides AI consultancy, ERP solutions, risk mitigation, and business strategy to connect UAE businesses with the expertise needed. The blueprint for 2026 is drawn, and the autonomous fleet is live. The only variable is your strategy. Contact Professionals Lobby today for a free AI consultation to shape your horizon. www.professionalslobby.com.
Professionals Lobby, grow, connect, succeed.